Hi, thank you so much for watching. My name is Culture, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my fall box from Fabfitfun. Just got here a couple days ago. Here is the little magazine that it comes with. It's cute. They have some pumpkin spice recipes, pizza, mac and cheese, really delicious stuff. I might have to try some of these out. Here are all the goodies on the inside. So excited. Okay. So first, starting off with, this is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Refining Serum. So this is a silicone-free pore treating serum that delivers a filtered appearance as it tackles existing pores and helps prevent new blackheads from forming. Immediately experience smaller looking pores without shine. Let's see here. Doesn't smell like anything. All right, can't wait to use this on my skin. Here is a bottle of Crease Release. This is by the Laundress, New York, and this is supposed to remove wrinkles. Spray items from 6 inches away, safe for all fabrics and furnishings. So this is supposed to help you when you also iron any of your clothing items. All right, so next up is this Mason Tops Mason Jar Hydration Kit. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh wait, I think this was part of the customization. This is really cute. Okay, so the top here screws on and off and the lid just pops open. There's no straw or anything, which I really like with water bottles. I hate when there's a straw because it's just an extra step to clean. And then it's a glass bottle. It looks like a giant mason jar. It also has measurements here up to 2 cups, and it says Mason Tops right here. This is an insulated sleeve, which is nice because whenever you have cold drinks, the condensation on the outside of the glass just kind of gets everywhere. So this way you can keep it nice and covered and keep it cold, but also not have it all wet around the side of the bottle. And then the little top. That is a really cute idea. All right, next up is Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist. Formulated with powerful ingredients that relax your senses and soothe your skin, this calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. Has witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. Before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. All right, let's test it out. Okay, so it's very mild. It's not a really strong scent of lavender, so I like it. Next up is this Liquid RX, and it's spelled Likwid. That's clever. It's a stress reliever, and it's 100% natural hair oil. There it is. The font is super small, so I'll have to hold it right here. Use your fingers to apply oil to your scalp and hair, massage lightly. And I honestly can't read anything else because it is in silver and it's super tiny. All right, moving on. Here is a really cute bottle. This is the Beauty Crop and it's Glow Milk. And it says, Glow Milk is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne-colored liquid highlighter enriched with coconut. This hydrates while illuminating the skin. It's a shake it up. This is super cute. Here, oh my gosh. Okay, this looks like my liquid highlighter drops. This looks really pretty. Okay, so you can use this on your face or body. God, this looks beautiful. I have something very similar to this, but I feel like you can't have enough highlighters. It doesn't have, well, let me take a look. Yeah, it doesn't have like chunks of glitter in it, which is nice. It just is a nice shimmer, especially when you hit the light just right. Okay, moving on. If I remember correctly, I think this is jewelry. It's quite heavy, and I think this was part of my customization, so I did choose this. I'm so excited. Look at how amazing this bracelet looks. It is so gorgeous. All right, let's put her, oh, let's open it up. Look how beautiful this is. I love all the chain links. I love that it is gold and silver, so it will mix and match with all of my jewelry no matter what I'm wearing. Look at how gorgeous this is. I love it. All right, so far this is my favorite thing in the fall box. All right, lastly is this. I actually got a hair tool in my fall box. I think I picked this one out of like several choices. Not that I needed an extra one, but among all of the choices, I liked this the best, so that's why I picked it. But it's cute. It's Foxy Bay, no fox. What is this? Oh, no fox given. That's cute. Here is the packaging right here, and it literally says no fox given. So it's a rose gold 25 millimeter wand, and I love rose gold. So this will give you shine, moisture, faster styling, healthier hair, smooth finish, and ease of use. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I didn't know it was gonna look this nice. Okay, so rose gold, a black bottom. It looks super sleek. I really, really like the look of this. The handle here is matte black, which looks really cool. It looks very, very luxe. I love it. So I will be testing this out probably after I wash my hair. So if you want to follow me on my Insta stories, I do a lot of updates there with anything that I get, hauls, and especially Fabfitfun. So follow me on there and see how this hair tool does. I love it. It's so pretty. So that is it for my Fabfitfun fall box for 2020. Let me know which one is your favorite. I have to say that my favorite is this bracelet. I'm going to be wearing this every single day. And I think my other favorite is this water bottle. It's super cute. Can't wait to use this hair tool. And yeah, that's it. September is my birth month. So if you are a Virgo, give you a little shout down below. Happy birthday to you. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.